Buongiorno paesani, oi c'è un vento che ti fa sbattoleare. It's so windy that it shakes you up. That's today's word in catalogese, sbattoleare. In Italian we say scuotere. C'è un vento che ti fa scuotere. Look, I brushed my hair, does it show? Manco pare che mi pettinavo I capelli. Today is not a good day to go to a hairdresser, that's for sure. Sono sordi persi. So that's it. Guys, stay safe. It is November 1st. We are in like a tornado kind of weather. It's windy as hell. Don't even bother brushing your hair. I look like I just woke up, even though I've been brushing it every 5 minutes. Yeah. C'è un vento che ti fa sbattoleare. Sbattoleare is today's word. Again, I'm repeating it. It means to shake up. And in Italian is scuotere. C'è un vento che ti fa scuotere. Meno male che sono grossa, che se non me ne volassi. Thank God I'm a little chunky. Otherwise, I'd fly away. Seriously. If I was skinny, I feel bad for skinny people right now. Because if you're skinny, I suggest you put weights around your ankles because you're going to fly today. You're going to get a free round trip to the sky and back. Troppo vento c'è voi. So that's it. Alla prossima. Ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo.